Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to keep it super simple, very beginner and baby friendly. We're just going to decorate a onesie using HTV, okay? So I'll list everything I used in the description box below. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All right, you guys, to begin today's tutorial, we're going to start off in the Cricut design space, and we're going to go over to the left hand corner and click the text box so we can begin texting. And I'm just going to go ahead and type the words guess what. And I'm making my onesie today that says guess what, and on the back it says chicken butt. I don't know where I heard that joke or where I got it from, but for some reason I think it's just so hilarious. So I just kind of wanted to create that today. So now that I have my text typed out, I'm just going to change the font because I just like nice, thick, bold fonts. So I'm just going to go over here to Impact because it is my favorite font. And then I'm going to change the width and the height of the words because I do want them to kind of go all the way across the front of the onesie. So I'm changing my width to 5.5 inches. And then I'm going to change my height to 1.5 inches. And that looks pretty good to me. Then I'm going to go back over to the left panel and hit images. Now, if you paid the $10 a month for Cricut Design Space, all these images that you see on my screen are available to you. It's part of your Access membership, okay? So if you don't pay the $10 a month, you'll have to pay for the image. I'm not sure how much it is because I actually do pay the $10 a month. But I basically just typed in chicken right here. And I see a few chickens, but I didn't really find, because I'm looking for like a chicken butt at this point. I didn't really find anything, so I went back up to the search bar and I typed in chicken butt. And I still didn't really find anything. So I just kind of went with like the next best, the best looking image they had on here to complete my project. But like I was saying about Cricut Access, it's not necessary to have. Having Cricut Access just gives you basically access to some images, some fonts that Cricut offers, some project tutorials that Cricut offers, but it's not a deal breaker if you don't have it. And so now that I have my chicken, I'm going to change the height of this. I believe I made my chicken 5.5 inches tall. And that's basically it as far as the creating part of this project. And so now that I have everything, I'm just gonna go ahead, hit make it, and then it's gonna take me to my mat. And since I'm using scrap pieces of vinyl, I have them placed a certain way on my mat, so I'm just moving my images around to line up with my scrap pieces. And remember, anytime you're working with HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, you want to mirror your image, okay? So once I position these things, I'll just go ahead and hit make it, load my mat into my Cricut, cut out my project, then I'll weed my project. Then we're going to go ahead and I have my heat press heating up the whole time I've been doing, I was on the computer and cutting out and all that other stuff. So my heat press is set at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to pre-press this onesie that I just purchased from Walmart. It came in a pack. So I pre-pressed my onesie, and here I am placing my letters. And I did get a ruler. I like to place my words about 2.5 to 3 inches down from the little neckline. So that's what I'm doing right here. So pre-press your onesie, 350 degrees, and I press for about 20 to 30 seconds, I believe. And then I'll turn it over, and then I'll add the chicken butt. And that's basically it for this project, guys. Like I said, this is very beginner friendly, very baby friendly, just a little super cute little project that I wanted to do. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time. Oh, and if you want to know how to make sure that your vinyl is adhered properly, right here, how you can see like the t-shirt fiber through the vinyl, that's how you know that your vinyl is on correctly, and it won't peel off after several washes.